Dryptosaurus asks the question, what if T-Rex had really big arms, actually? Dryptosaurus was a large carnivorous dinosaur that lived about 67 million years ago on the east coast of the United States. At that time, what is now the U.S. was split down the middle by something called the Western Interior Seaway, and the eastern half of that continent was called Appalachia, which is where Dryptosaurus lived. Despite being an animal here that's clearly well adapted for terrestrial life, Dryptosaurus's bones are found almost exclusively in marine deposits, which means that it meant to have spent some time out of its very busy life living on the coast. This animal is one of the earliest theropods known to science. It was discovered in 1866 by Edward Drinker Cope, who initially named it Laelaps, and then Charles R. Knight painted something like this about 30 years later. However, by that time, the name had been changed from Laelaps to Dryptosaurus because the genus Laelaps was already occupied. The name Dryptosaurus aquilunguis means eagle-clawed tearing lizard, which highlights a pretty interesting part about this creature's anatomy. Despite its similarity and relatedness to Tyrannosaurus and the other tyrannosaurids, it has really large arms compared to the rest of its body. That indicates that when it was hunting, it was probably using them actively as a grappler. So Dryptosaurus is kind of like an East Coast cousin of Tyrannosaurus that was really into Brazilian jiu-jitsu. Let me know what other dinosaurs or prehistoric animals you'd like for me to cover next.